Michelangelo Anselmi was born circa 1492, died circa 1554. He was an Italian Renaissance-Mannerist painter active mostly in Parma. He painted frescoes including several decorations in San Giovanni Evangelista, and an altarpiece for the Duomo. In about 1530, he painted Madonna with Saint Sebastian and Saint Roch, now in the National Gallery at Parma. He painted a baptism of Christ for the Church of San Prospero in Reggio Emilia. Together with his contemporary Rondani, he painted a narrative fresco series on the life of the Virgin for the Oratorio della Concezione in Parma. Anselmi also painted Holy Family with Saint Barbara. In 1541, he decorated the apse of the Church of the Steccata in Parma according to a design, not of Parmigianino, who had once been employed in this task, but of Giulio Romano. He also painted an Adoration of the Magi, which after Anselmi's death was completed by Bernardino Gatti.